Oh my god.
Pineapple greased or spice. What do you think?
No, more.
More?
Yeah. It's gotta be like a mountain. Like that.
Like that?
Don't do it yet.
Oh, yeah, it's in his mouth. Here, I'll take the cinnamon. Get it all nice, loose, and wet in your mouth.
Ew, stay away. I don't want to become a poof dragon.
Holy shit. He didn't keep No, that's not even fair. That's not even fair. I'm gonna say fuck you. Alright, I got this. I'm one upping you, man. We got a better one. That don't even look enjoyable. How'd it taste?
Like cinnamon?